Hello friends, let's discuss maximizing kitchen efficiency. How to use organizer to organize your kitchen. First of all, there is introduction. A well-organized kitchen is the key to efficient cooking, reduced stress and more enjoyable cooking experience. One of the most efficient way to achieve a organized kitchen by using organizers. In this article, we will explore different types of organizers available and will provide tips how to use them to maximize your kitchen's efficiency. Number two is type of organizers. There are many kinds of organizers available for the kitchen, including drawers organizers designed to fit inside kitchen drawers. These organizers keep utensils, spices, and kitchen essentials organized and easy to access. Shelf organizers, perfect for maximizing vertical space usage. Shelf organizers keep plates, bowls, cups, and other kitchen essential organized and within reach. Cabinet organizers designed to fit inside kitchen cabinets. These organizers keep food, cooking supplies, and other kitchen essentials organized by easy to access. Pantry organizers designed to maximize pantry storage space. Pantry organizers keep food, cooking supplies, and other kitchen essentials organized and easy to access. Number three is tips for using organizers. Here are many tips for using organizers to maximize your kitchen's efficiency. First of all, you need to declutter. Before organizing your kitchen, get rid of any unnecessary or duplicate items. This will help you to determine what you need to organize and where. Then, access your needs. Consider your cooking habits and type of food you cook and the utensils and supplies you mostly use. This will help you determine what type of organizers you need and where to place them. After that, label and sign. Labeling and signing your organizers can help you and others quickly identify what's inside and where it goes. Place organizers in easy to reach locations to minimize bending, stretching, and straining. Regularly maintain and adjust your organizers as you need to ensure they continue to meet your needs. I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel as well. Kindly share it with your family and friends. Comment a topic where you want to see the next video and stay tuned for next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.